Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. And I told Kathy from KaTHie's World that I was going to record myself playing bingo. So we're going to just do one game and I'm just going to let it record. You guys can see how I react. And this is how I do it every game. As you can see, I have my little bingo babies.
71.
Now my tablet with all my numbers.
C11.
Hey, I don't have that one. Come on, bingo babies. Come on, bingo babies.
N36.
Thank you, bingo babies. Woo, bingo babies.
B14.
Man, you guys are on a roll. Woo!
B10.
Don't have that one. We need a 7 and a 55 and a 69. Come on, bingo babies. Hey, I said 7, but not 6.
O64.
I said 69, not 64.
B3.
Come on, bingo babies.
That's just the number of participants in chat.
Come on.
And we say thumbs up.
Thumbs up, everybody.
55.
Woo, yes.
Giveaway, I think.
Woohoo. Come on, we need 7 and 69. Come on, 7 and 69, bingo babies. Come on.
G59.
55, 55. We got 55. We need 69 and 7.
I20.
Come on, 69 and 7. Come on. Roll it. Come on.
I23.
Come on. Come on, bingo babies.
73.
69 and 7. Come on. 69 and 7. Come on.
B2.
Come on, little bingo babies. Come on. High five. Woo-hoo-hoo.
N44.
I'd probably get kicked out of the bingo hall if I did this in real life. Or like
B50.
at a bingo hall. Come on. 69.
46.
69. 7. Come on.
Aaron, I'm with you. That's what I have. 2 numbers.
I75.
Come on. 69. 69.
I27.
7. Come on. 7. Da-da-da-da-da.
42.
69 and 7. That's what I need. Come on.
That would be towards your state. That would be
I28.
No. 69. Give me a 7. 69 or a 7.
B7.
Yes.
Oh, you can't
Thank
get
you.
your money.
Woohoo. Come on. 69. Come on. 69. 69. 69. 69.
I18.
We need 69 bingo babies. Bingo babies need 69. 69 bingo babies. Come on. I
O66.
said 69, not 66.
B13.
Man, if somebody had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that'd have been a bingo. Come on, 69 bingo babies.
60.
Keep it in the 60s. Now give me a 9. Give me a 69.
B15.
Ooh, Aaron's got 3 numbers.
Woo, come on, 69, 69. 7,
B9.
14, 36.
Go
I
to
said
it.
69. 69. Come on, bingo babies. 69, 69, 69. 69, 69.
Type in bingo, you have 4 numbers, guys. You can talk.
O67.
Not 67, 69, 69.
Okay, I typed in bingo.
O72.
Up!
Oh, you got bingo?
Crafting with Passions, 1 bingo.
Yes, I
Good God. Oh, it's down to 1 number.
Let me go back to the list.
Oh. But, woohoo! We did code good. High five, high five, five. High finger, high finger, high finger. Woohoo! All right. That's how I'm usually playing bingo, guys. So this is, I'm not faking
I
it.
gotta write your numbers down so I can go back and look.
So that's how I play bingo. And I wait till Kathy clears it. And then I cross out. 1 number. It's all I needed. 1 number. Gave you a 68 on the last one. I need a 69.
Yep. 27, yep. 35, nope. 59, nope. 67, nope. That's a good bingo.
Kathy, you're so funny. Woohoo! Okay. That's how I play bingo. Now I cross out my list. Move that down. There we go. That's how I play bingo. Thought I'd share it. It's fun. Win or lose. I get all excited. I tap my bingo babies on the head. We just roll with punches, right? Bingo. Give me a little high five because they came really close this time. So, Next time it's going to be all 5 numbers, right, Bingo Babies? And then we'll win. Yeah. All right, Bingo Babies. Bye, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. And every Monday at 7 o'clock Eastern on KaTHie's Craft. See, I screwed this up. I did it again. KaTHie's World. I always want to say KaTHie's World and Friends because at one time it was. Well, it's now KaTHie's World. She plays bingo. I will have that linked in the description box below. See you there next Monday, guys. 10 games sometimes, 5 games sometimes. Sometimes there's giveaways. So make sure you get over there and check out KaTHie's World Bingo.